Hey everyone, and welcome back to Woodshop Junkies, where I'm building one workstation to maximize my small workshop. And today I want to add the contents of this toolbox that's cluttering up the free space in my shop to the drawers that I've already installed to the workbench. Now the box and its contents is from a time when I used to travel and fix equipment on site. But since I don't do that anymore, there's no reason for the contents of this box to be mobile anymore. But because the tools weren't considered when designing the bench, I didn't allow space for them. So now I'm going to have to make space for them. Now to do this, I figured I'd add an additional tier to this, my odds and ends drawer. To the tier, I can fix the plastic holders inside the box that keep each tool in their place. I can then move the tier back to access whatever else is in the drawer. But before I can do anything, I'm going to have to add an additional runner to the side of the drawer because the tools in this box has quite a bit of weight. Okay guys, so with the extra runner installed, hopefully the drawer is going to be able to carry the extra weight. So now I can get started on adding the extra tier. Okay guys, so for the extra tier in my drawer, I'm just using a piece of chipboard that I sized to fit inside the drawer. On top of these, I'll be fixing the trays into which I can put the tools that is currently inside this box. Now the chipboard itself is not very strong, so I'm going to be adding bracing to the underside, and to this bracing I'll be fitting the runners, which is going to give me the ability to move this back to access whatever else is in the drawer on the underside or the underneath in the drawer. Okay guys, so this is pretty much what my second tier is going to look like. I've added bracing to the underside and I've left a bit of space there for the runner to fit in over there. So now I'm going to fix the trays to it and then I can add it to the drawer. Okay, that's it for the trays. Now I'm going to add the runners and then I can add it to the drawer. One thing I'm just gonna have to do before I add this to the door is take out this part and cut it lower, because obviously this tier will be moving and this is blocking it. And that's pretty much it, guys. Time to put it back into the bench and hopefully it doesn't collapse under all the extra weight. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. As always, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, remember to subscribe, and I will see you guys soon. Cheers!